Okay, we want to find the equation of a tangent line to this graph. G of t equals 10 minus t squared, and we're given a specific value for t when t equals 2. So to get this, what we want are, we need two pieces of information. We need a point on our graph, and we need the slope of our line. Okay, so the first thing I can do is, let's go ahead and find the point on our graph. So to get that, I'm going to use the value for t, and I'm going to replace it into our function. So 10 minus 2 squared is going to make 10 minus 4, which will give us an y value of 6, or an output value of 6. So we have 2, 6 is the ordered pair that we are going to utilize. The next thing is, we need the slope of our line. Well, we can represent the slope of our line by finding the derivative of our function. Derivative of a function is going to be the slope. All right, keep that in mind. So one term at a time, let's go ahead and find the derivative. So the derivative of 10 is going to be 0. Bring along our negative sign, and then the derivative of t squared is going to be 2t to the first power as we use our power rule. A little bit of simplifying down here. This is going to be g prime of t is going to be negative 2t. And remember, that's the slope of our line. All right, well, that'll give us the slope for any value of t, but we care about one specific value of t. We care about when t equals 2. So let's compute what is g prime of 2. That's going to be negative 2 times 2, getting plugged in for our t, will be negative 4. So the slope of our line is negative 4, and it goes through that point 26. So let's go ahead and think about this as, I'm going to treat it like y equals mx plus b. But instead of x being our variable this time, remember t is the variable in this situation. So in x's spot, I'm going to think of this as y equals m times t plus b. All right, so we know a point, that's an x value and a y value, and we know our slope m over on the left side is negative 4, so let's replace all of those pieces of information in. And I should be careful, this isn't an x value anymore, this is a t value. So that 2 is going to replace the t in that equation we're creating. So we have 6 equals negative 4 n for m times 2 plus b. So 6 equals negative 8 plus b. We're going to add 8 to both sides. That gives us b equals 14. So now we know our slope. We know our y-intercept. Let's put these two pieces of information together and get y equals negative 4t is our variable plus 14. And that's going to be the equation of the line tangent to this, this function 10 minus t squared at t equals 2. Hope this helps out.